Imagine harnessing the power of the wind without spinning blades. No noise, no harm to birds, and barely any maintenance. Sounds impossible, right? Think again. Welcome to Fix the Future. On this series, we explore solutions that are going to help us get from 51 billion tons of emissions to net zero. Don't want to miss future videos? Hit subscribe. Let's get back to it. Energy generated by wind turbines is growing rapidly worldwide, showing a 50% increase from 2022 to 2023. And traditional wind turbines are incredible, but they do have a few limitations: noise, environmental impact, and maintenance challenges. Meet Vortex Bladeless, a revolutionary wind power device that turns wind energy into electricity without spinning a single blade. Instead, it oscillates, using a phenomenon called vortex shedding. Here's how it works. When wind passes around a structure, it creates pressure vortexes. If the structure matches the frequency of these vortexes, it begins to sway, just like the famous Tacoma Narrows Bridge. The Vortex Bladeless turbine captures this movement and converts it into electricity using a linear alternator without collapsing like the bridge. Magnets in the alternator also tune the device to work across a wide range of wind speeds, making it adaptable and efficient. With a smaller carbon footprint and low-wake turbulence, it's perfect for urban areas and even protected ecosystems. And while it's not replacing traditional turbines, it's opening new possibilities for distributed energy solutions. The Vortex Bladeless is more than a wind turbine alternative. It's a step toward making renewable energy more accessible and sustainable for everyone. Join us next time as we uncover more breakthroughs helping us fix the future.